add something.
Okay. What are you adding?
Wait, you're taking a video?
Yes.
Oh god. Okay. Just to say, my ship. Oh god. You get back on the torch. My ship.
Where are those little guys on your left there?
Oh. Which one guys?
There.
Oh. Oh. These are the enemies. And one left out here. Actually, I should put this guy. Sorry. These are enemies. And these are the good guys. This is the good guy ship, which you can see right here, which is very big. Good. Look at that. So, this is my ship. If you're wondering how I built this, I built it. I built it from scratch. Sure.
Okay, bye-bye.
No.
What?
No.
No?
No. I say no.
It's getting even bigger?
A little. This guy mans a gun. This guy protects the king. And then this is how they would fight. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.